Alright, I want to make a quick video of this Linksys router. I now have two of those Linksys router. Now, one of the Linksys router that I got in the real estate for doing that. This one I got at Goodwill. So this one is on a latest software that is EA7300, and the model number is the EA7300. Alright, so that is that. Now this modem, this router supposedly has the newest technology in there called the mesh network or something like that. I think it's the Linksys version of the technology. But because this router only at Goodwill, it was 0.5% off, or it's basically $4.29. And I factory reset it and configured it and set it up. And it was pretty cool. Now, this router was not able to run DDWR2 or DDWRT, means a custom firmware that you can use it to do a lot of things with. But this device also won't stop me from configuring it to run whatever I want on it as well. What I like about this one is it allows me to use a connection, go into here, and over here it allows me to either run as a, let me show you right there, configure automatically DHCP, means uses router, static IP, PPO, PPE, PoE, I don't know what it stands for. What I'm looking for is called wireless repeater, not bridging, repeater. So basically I type in the SSID I wanted to this device to connect to, and it will communicate on the back end. So if I have a hotspot or Wi-Fi SSID, I can repeat that far away without having an Ethernet attached to it. Now this Ethernet currently attached to the device right there, that is a T-Mobile home internet. I'm using that just for fun and demonstration and update the software. That's all I use it for. And it is a very, very good solid router. And I believe this router are designed for gaming. It also has a lot of features that I do not understand. It's such as they call a VLAN, means you can separate the network traffic from each other. You see? Don't ask me what any of those mean because I'm not an IT of networking. Tagging, untagging, and those, I don't know what they mean. They might be means port ID or something, 2 and 4. So maybe 3, 4 could be different LAN. So, but this router I only paid $4.29 for it. I thought, what's the worst what happened? This thing not working? Yep. Sure enough, it works just fine. I generally don't pick up router, but I did this time just because it was there. And there is another one out there. It's called DOCSIS modem, Motorola modem, which is, I personally think it's about the same as Acer Ares modem. So this router has a great feature, and it has once I update it, it has this network map that tells you what you connected to. On the older software, it does not give you those kind of options. So it is kind of cool that you can have all of those media prioritization and all of that stuff, and scheduling and check for speed test. Yeah, and I would say, yeah, that's pretty bad boy, you know. A firmware update was pretty easy. You basically go into the download the firmware on the website right here, and you just select the 2.0, then you download it right there. This is the version I did had, and this was the oldest previous version, as you can see, in 2020. So this router is about 4 years old, and they last updated in 2021 of October. So yeah, I'm sure it, I don't think it's gonna receive more update, just because the first 2 years, that's when they released more update, and after that they slow down, or they just don't push update at all. So yeah, that's basically it. And I'm gonna give away this router to somebody, if they want it or need it. That way you don't have to pay for the Spectrum access fee, but if they want it, because it seems like they rather pay for that than this, so I will probably keep that, because it is a solid router that I can make it to pretty much send out free Wi-Fi, which is open network, and I'm okay with that. And so yeah, I doubt anybody will use it, but I also has a concern of, if somebody doing suspicious thing on my network, that means I had to be responsible for it. So it's like, you can't give away free stuff nowadays because the vulnerability of other people being stupid. So, but the other one I did program it to make an open Wi-Fi network. So this one, once I update the software, you are able to make it WPS or WAP2, whatever that security protocol is. So it's not WAP3 yet, just 2 only, which is fine. But it is $4.29. It definitely pays itself off in 1 month. 1 month. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.